Alright guys, we're here in my tiny home and today I'm going to have my friend Cece come and help me get organized because as you can see, anytime I'm parked and stopped, things just go wherever it's easy and they've kind of lost their organization. Alright, it must be her. Hi Cece!
Are you ready?
Oh gosh, I think so.
Are you excited?
I am. I need a revamp.
I mean, usually that's what happens. It's like, I think it's better for you to break it in before you actually create a system because you don't know how it's going to go. And that's usually what happens. So let's see what we're working with.
All right.
You ready? Not too bad.
Just a lot of stuff.
Yeah, it doesn't have a system. You even know what you have back there?
Nope.
Okay, we're about to find out. Okay, let's see what we got here. Ah. Well, hey, you kind of started. You have some organization there. Not bad. Oh, this is actually not that bad. Okay. All right, let's get this party started.
All right. All right, you guys. I'm not a hoarder. I just have a little minimal space. That's what it is.
Yeah, and
to work with. But I am one person, and I do like my coffee mugs. Although I literally use only one. But you know.
But and then it doesn't have a system, right?
Yeah.
So for not having a system, it's actually not that bad. Because once you create a system, you can have.
Well, I had a system.
Well,
it was Tetris.
Yeah. Once we pull everything out, take the opportunity to wipe everything down, vacuum if you want to, and then we create the system and then we start putting things back. So now we get to play and see if you actually, oh, how perfect that is.
Ooh.
So it's always good to measure your space before you go buy any containers. Because if not, it's like, wasting your time. And especially these ones are so tricky. You gotta find, you see how it's open here? But if you, like when you travel, if you are afraid that things may fall off, you can actually turn it this way. And that will prevent from them coming off. So I brought you two different systems to see which one you like better. These ones to me are actually neater. And you see how you can just grab and divide everything, and like I said earlier, you can turn it around.
And my plates fit perfect.
But if you notice, nothing moves. So because creating a system for the Airstream when you live in an RV, you want to make sure that when you're traveling, things are nice and steady. This one's, but I still I wanted, because you didn't have a chance to go into the store, I wanted you to see the difference between both of them. But this will actually work also. But you will have to put something in here. So which one do you like better?
I like this one.
Good choice, Daisy. I love.
It fits perfect.
Yes, I love that. So another reason why I brought you two different ones is because I wanted you to see the difference on the budget. Like, organization should not cost you that much, so you can still make it budget friendly, right? So this option is a little bit more budget friendly. This is still not that bad, but it costs a little more, right? So I never want nobody to stop thinking, oh, I don't want to get organized because that's too expensive. Organization is not expensive. Being disorganized is very expensive. So okay, now that you like this one, we actually take this out and finish creating the systems. So now, because your favorite thing is coffee and tea, we're going to create the system and bring those in first, okay? So we just wrapped up. I'm going to show you guys how it looks now. So here we created mugs and cups and plates.
We just wrapped up up organizing my kitchen area. This was so easy, so much less effort than it would have been on my own, and one of those things that when I've been traveling for as long as I have, it just needed a revamp. So I kind of got in the bad habit of anytime things were kind of just needed a place, I would just throw them somewhere. So Cece came in and definitely helped me get some systems in place that I can now implement in other areas of my Airstream and just tidy everything up. I think that the biggest thing is just being able to open stuff and things not fall out. So normally I would like open things and be like, ah! There'd be something falling. So I think the best part is, you know, things aren't falling out. It looks amazing. And Cece used so many of the things I already had. So I had these tiny little bags that I just thought were cute and I bought them. But she made use of them, and now I know that whenever I buy something, I'm just gonna put them in reusable bags so that they're visible, easy to find and to see. I just want to thank you, Cece. This was an amazing experience, just being able to dive into this and not only clean up and organize my Airstream, but just give myself some structure. So thank you so much.